Looking to take your custom apparel or merchandise business to the next level? In this video, we explore the 5 best DTF printers in 2026, comparing print quality, speed, versatility, and ease of use. From beginner-friendly models to professional-grade machines, these printers are designed to help you create vibrant, long-lasting designs on a variety of fabrics. Number 5. OYfame L805 XP600 DTF Printer. The OYfame L805 XP600 DTF printer is built for efficient and versatile direct-to-film printing across a wide range of fabrics, including t-shirts, bags, hats, and jackets. Designed for both small businesses and growing print shops, it delivers consistent results on light and dark materials. An integrated white ink mixing system keeps pigment evenly distributed, while the semi-automatic cleaning system helps reduce clogging and maintain smooth ink flow for reliable daily operation. At the core of the printer is the XP600 6-color printhead, offering significantly faster output compared to older L1800 and L805 configurations. With a maximum resolution of 2,800 by 1,400 dots per inch, prints appear sharp, vibrant, and highly detailed with strong color saturation. This level of clarity is ideal for custom apparel and promotional products that require professional-grade quality. The printer supports both roll and sheet media up to 8.3 inches wide, allowing flexible production workflows. Whether handling bulk orders or on-demand designs, it adapts easily to different job sizes. The package includes an A4 DTF oven, 100 meters of film, 5 bottles of 250 milliliter ink, DTF powder, cleaning tools, and a flash drive with instructional videos. A 1-year warranty on non-consumable parts and 3-month coverage for the printhead provide added peace of mind, supported by responsive technical assistance. Number 4. OLOEY A4 DTF Printer. The OLOEY A4 DTF printer is engineered to simplify the direct-to-film printing process while delivering consistent, high-quality output. Using advanced transfer technology, the printer applies DTF ink onto film, which is then processed through powder shaking and heat pressing. This method allows detailed designs to be transferred onto t-shirts, jeans, masks, umbrellas, and many other fabric-based products, with strong adhesion and vibrant color results. Its versatility is one of its strongest advantages. The printer works effectively on both light and dark fabrics, including cotton, polyester, leather, and denim. This flexibility enables users to expand beyond basic apparel and move into accessories and home textiles, broadening creative and commercial opportunities. A key feature is the integrated professional raster image processor software. It allows multiple images to be imported and arranged on the workbench at the same time. After adjustments, several patterns can be printed in a single workflow, significantly improving efficiency and making it easier to manage bulk orders or complex layouts. The compact and lightweight design enhances portability, making it suitable for small studios or home-based businesses. With relatively low startup investment and strong output capability, it offers appealing return potential. Professional technical support is available after purchase, helping users set up the system and begin printing smoothly and confidently. Number 3. Colorsun, a 3D TF printer for Epson. The Colorsun, a 3D TF printer for Epson, also known as the R1390 model, is designed to produce high-quality transfers for t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, bags, hats, and jackets. Built with stability in mind, it features both a white ink mixing system and a white ink circulation system. These systems maintain consistent ink flow and significantly reduce the risk of clogging, ensuring reliable performance and vibrant output on both light and dark fabrics. The printer supports roll media up to 13 inches wide, making it suitable for large-scale production as well as custom, on-demand printing. Its user-friendly structure allows beginners to get started quickly while still offering the performance and consistency expected by experienced professionals. Equipped with a 6-color printhead, the R1390 delivers efficient and steady printing speeds. With a resolution of 1440 by 1400 dots per inch, it produces sharp details and rich color saturation. The transfer rate is highly reliable, allowing designs to bond effectively to fabric surfaces. Durability is another strong advantage. Finished prints are waterproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-resistant. Garments can be washed in a washing machine without significant fading, and designs can maintain their appearance for more than 2 years. The printer is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11, and dedicated technical support is available for installation and troubleshooting assistance. Number 2. OYfame A4 DTF Transfer Printer. The OYfame A4 DTF Transfer Printer is engineered for creating vibrant designs on t-shirts, hoodies, jeans, bags, and even leather products. Designed to support both beginners and experienced users, it comes as a comprehensive package with ink, powder, and film included, allowing you to begin printing with minimal setup. A key highlight is the integrated white ink mixing function, which helps reduce pigment settling and ensures smooth, even color distribution. This improves print consistency and enhances image clarity. Using the direct-to-film process, designs achieve a durable silkscreen-like finish that adheres effectively to 100% cotton, polyester blends, and other fabric types. The A3 format combined with the R1390 printhead enables larger design output without compromising detail. Prints appear vibrant and remain fade-resistant over time, maintaining strong visual impact even after repeated washing. The advanced workflow is straightforward. Upload your design, print onto PET film, apply adhesive powder, and use a heat press to complete the transfer. To improve reliability, the printer includes a suction platform that stabilizes the film and reduces the risk of printhead scratches. Maintenance is simplified with an intelligent one-button cleaning system, helping minimize ink clogs and extend printhead lifespan. Overall, it delivers consistent performance and flexibility for custom apparel production. Number 1. Colorsun A4 A4 XP600 DTF Transfer Printer. The Colorsun A4 A4 XP600 DTF Transfer Printer is designed for high-quality and efficient printing on a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, and leather. Equipped with the Epson XP600 printhead, it supports an A3 printing width of 30 centimeters and an A4 width of 21 centimeters. A white ink system continuously stirs the ink to prevent clogging, ensuring smooth flow and vibrant colors on both light and dark fabrics. This printer features a self-developed motherboard and comes with RIP11 software, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. The color configuration includes cyan, yellow, magenta, black, and white, allowing simultaneous printing of color and white. This improves production efficiency and enables high-quality designs to be completed faster. Automatic head cleaning can be performed even during printing, reducing downtime and maintaining consistent performance. The printing workflow is straightforward. After uploading your design to the software, print onto PET film and apply hot melt powder evenly. Bake the printed film in the included oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 50 seconds, then press it onto the fabric at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. After cooling, the film is peeled off to reveal the finished design. With a maximum resolution of 2800 by 1400 dots per inch, this printer delivers sharp, Vivid prints with a 100% transfer rate. The complete package includes an A4 DTF oven, 100 meters of film, and a full set of inks, providing everything needed for professional DTF printing. Each of these DTF printers offers unique strengths, from large format printing to advanced ink management and fast production speeds. Choosing the right printer depends on your workflow, budget, and material preferences. With the right machine, you can create high-quality, durable designs efficiently. Whether you are running a small business or expanding into professional-level production,